Okay, my name is Tope Jinad. I'm from the software engineering department, and then I'm from Ogun State, Ijebu-Remo. My overall experience, if I should describe it, would be thrilling, exciting, and then challenging at the same time. Because at first, it was, the first time is always the hard time, and as you grow and as you continue, you get better, and then you find your beat. So that's how I would describe my first time. In terms of expectation, I would say it exceeded my expectations because basically I was just coming for the coding knowledge, the programming knowledge, and then I know that I've gotten more than just the programming knowledge and the coding knowledge. Extra things that has also been added to make me more valuable. So I will talk about two of my challenges I faced that I feel on a personal level are, for me, very challenging. It was the environmental shift, because back then I was staying in Port Harcourt. So moving from Port Harcourt down to Ogbomoso was kind of a new environment and also a new institution. Learning, associating with people, just kind of, it was really challenging at first because people back then in Port Harcourt, the lifestyle, I would say the cultural lifestyle then is also a bit different from what we have here in Ogbomoso. So trying to assimilate and then, change was a bit challenging for me. And also another one would be my classes then. One thing I found really challenging was the 8 to 5 p.m. class then. It was quite challenging. Thank you. My basic expectation while coming, that's the basic one. While coming was just let's get this knowledge. Let's be able to use it to earn, better ourselves, build something that I've always wanted to build. So that was one of my expectations. That was my expectation on the physical level. And then I would say on the career level was that become good, very good at, you get to work with other like-minded people that they can also increase you. That was it. And then achievements. For me, my achievement would be, because I was an art student then, even not then, I'm an art student. So achievement would be finishing with a first class in school year as an art student. It's on a personal level, it really shows how far you can really come as you determine and put your mind to it. What I'm most proud of achieving during my time here, there will be, I categorize it into two. It will be on a personal level and then on a social level. On a personal level, what I'm most proud of is my first class, of course, and then personality of the week, and then I would say protocol team lead for the MindTalk, and then that's for the social level. On a personal level is building myself to become a better person. I've learned how to speak, I've learned how to write, I've learned how to code. I've also learned how to network and relate with people. My NID2, I did project management courses, and NID1, I did entrepreneurship skills. So these two skills have helped me and augmented my fact as a techie. And then it has also helped me in that I know how not just to focus on programming, but also focus on external factors that can influence programming too. Okay, so I'll first of all talk about what it aims to achieve, and then I'll speak about the inspiration. So what my final level project was addressing was the issue of agriculture in Ogbomoso. I took Ogbomoso as my case study. So we know that the prices in goods has gone up, there are inflations, there are also the loss of agricultural products in one way or the other. So what my project was aiming was to reduce the factor of the middlemen, because the middlemen also contribute to the rate of inflation in the country, in the sense that we provide the farmers with a platform for them to showcase their goods, sell their goods, communicate with the buyers directly. No need to go through external factors, and then they can also write directly from their farm, they can upload their goods and sell it, thereby reducing stress on the part of the farmers, reducing the need of middlemen, and then thereby increasing the agricultural system in Nigeria, agricultural economy in Nigeria. Also, it aimed to address two of the SDGs, that's the Sustainable Development Goals, SDG 2 and SDG 8. SDG 2 is zero hunger. SDG 2 was zero hunger, in the fact that when we are able to produce more and more people can see the ease in agriculture, it will prompt more people to go into agriculture, thereby producing more food, more produce for the populace, and thereby reducing the prices of things, so it will reduce hunger. That's for SDG 2. And then SDG 8 was increasing the economic value and economic growth of the country, in the sense that by the time we reduce the rate of middlemen, we are able to increase the economic, since we will be reducing inflation, because the middlemen also add to the cost of inflation and the rising of prices on goods. The most challenging part of my project was having to define a structure that will be continuous, not just limiting my platform to just this, to just addressing these issues, but a kind of platform that as the agricultural landscape increases and gets broader, my platform can also grow along with it and then help people meet their needs or challenges they might face. Working on this project is like the accumulation of all skills I've gained, or most of the core skills I've gained. So working on this project has helped me put everything together and then boosted my confidence, in the sense that if I can visualize it, then I can achieve it. Okay, my plans after graduation. Firstly, I would like to go for a degree. That was my first plan after graduation. Then I see these steps as I see this place as the foundational of my career. I see it as the building block of which I will build on to advance myself in my career, and then go and check and go for greener pastures. How prepared do I feel? Prepared? I cannot say prepared because you never know what's coming. But ready? Yes. Prepared? We'll find out about that. And then how ready am I to use my skills? I'm very excited. And then one of the most core skills I would like to use out in the outside world is my project management skills and entrepreneurship skills aside my coding skills. One advice I would give to somebody considering enrolling here is that you should do it now. Not just leave it for, okay, when I'm ready, I will do it. No. You have to start now. And then one more advice is that you should be somebody that is resilient. You have to start, and then you have the tenacity to finish what you start. One thing that I wish I knew was that I did being somebody that's already prepared in my mind that it's not going to be easy. Of course, good things are not always easy, but if I had someone that was like along the way telling me, see, this thing is hard, but if you put your mind to it, already bracing yourself up for the impact of the challenges you face, I wish it would have been, I believe it would have been much better. Habits and strategies I will recommend to future students. Number one, don't procrastinate anything. What you have to do today, just do it. Don't procrastinate anything. And then one of the strategies I used as a student was waking up early, because I knew that classes back then from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. you come back, you're already tired, you're already worn out, okay? So take a break, rest, wake up, read, wake up by 5, read again. Then prepare your day. Just go ahead and prepare your day and put God in your prayers. That's all. Thank you.